Good morning, everybody. Our first card is Healer, and it says you have the power to help heal others as you have healed yourself. Where there were enemies working against you, or even situations that were working against you, you let them go. Where there was discord amongst friends and family, you let go of doubt, fear, and negative thoughts and energy. And you did this by making yourself a priority and taking care of your own needs. Life is speeding up and you had to take control of your own narrative. You're still dealing with an arrogant, boastful person that should not be crossed, but you've detached from their negative energy. This is bringing you balance in your life with your monies as well. And there was lots of disappointments in some affairs. But Spirit wants you to trust your body and treat it like the palace it is. Your fortune teller card is the magic within you is growing stronger. Yes, sometimes life does sting, but you moving towards justice and balance in your life. You are being the emperor of your own life, and you need to carry on knowing your own worth. There is improving health. We let go of a lot of stresses and anxiety and things like that. And we must be gentle with ourselves as we carry on healing. There is something coming our way from the universe. We need to trust the divine. Spirit has a plan for us. The angel card says you have no need to worry. You will start seeing clearly. There's happiness and joy coming into your life, and there's happiness in your home as well. There's recovery in your finances, and where there was confusion, you are going to be able to make good choices for yourself and others. There's brightness and hope coming into your life. Wake up this morning, have a good old stretch, and welcome the world into your life. It awaits you. And your loved ones say you are healed. The healing you've prayed for is on its way. That's amazing that the first card and the last card is about healing. Stay positive and enjoy your day. Love you all very much.